This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Keller. Terrific views of 10th hole across Wide Lake. This 2,444 square feet Magnolia floor plan has ample living spaces for you on first floor along with a loft, 2 guest bedrooms and a double Jack and Jill bath on second floor. Offered turnkey, nicely furnished with many upgrades and updates. New tile roof in 2023 and new AC in 2020. The kitchen features 42 inches maple cabinets, newer granite counters along with newer LG appliances. Both the master bath and upstairs Jack and Jill baths features updated features. Electric storm shutters for lanai, master bedroom windows and front entry with accordion shutters on other windows. Newer pool heater and retiled pool. Recently repainted inside and out of this home. Epoxy floor and overhead storage racks in garage. Other upgrades include plantation shutters, crown molding, upgraded tile, fixtures, fans and faucets. This home comes with a bundled golf membership. Colonial CC is a highly desirable resort community that offers 18 holes of championship golf, clubhouse with dining, fitness center, resort-style pool, tennis, pickleball, bocce, miles of walking trails and more. Moderate HOA fees, high-quality amenities and convenient location make this community a great choice. Your new Florida home is ready for you. For more information, review the details below.